Why would you need an estate plan if you have no heirs? Let's say you're single, you have no children, and you have no family that you're particularly close to. Why would you need an estate plan? Well, you need to have an estate plan because if you don't, the state says where your assets go upon your death, and that may not be what you want. So let's say that you have no family that you're close to, and perhaps you have cousins or nieces and nephews, but you're really not close to anybody and you don't want to provide for them. Then that's why you need an estate plan, because if you don't, the state will give your assets on your death to those relatives that are closest to you. This is called the laws of intestacy. There are other videos we've done on the laws of intestacy, but basically what it means is that if you die, the state's going to say, all right, who is the closest heir at law? And if you don't have any spouse, children, your parents aren't alive, they're going to start looking at, cousins, siblings, that sort of thing, then cousins, nieces and nephews. So let's say that's not what you want. That's why you need an estate plan. Perhaps instead you want everything to go to the charitable cause that you are, that you favor. Then make sure that your estate plan says that this charity or these charities are the ones who will receive your assets. And you certainly can do that through your will, especially if you have real property, you're going to want to have a will that says that. Also, you can direct your assets through pay on death or beneficiary designations to those charities. So it's really important that you have an estate plan, especially a will, if you want your assets to go to charities upon your death. Now, don't forget, an estate plan is not just a will. An estate plan includes living documents, your durable powers of attorney for finances, for health, and your healthcare directive. Why do you need that? Well, those are the documents that are in effect while you're alive, and they protect you. So there's a decision maker that is in place, designated by you to speak on your behalf if something should happen to you, if you should become incapacitated. You want that. And again, the reason for that is so that the state doesn't step in and direct who is going to decide for you.